Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Emma. I am your teacher.
Hello, my name is Leo. I am learning English.
Today we learn easy English, very easy English.
Good, I am happy. I want to learn.
Great. If you are listening, you can learn with us. Listen, repeat, speak slowly.
Yes, speak slowly.
Let's start with greetings. Greetings are words we say when we meet people.
Like hello?
Yes, good, Leo. The first word is hello. Hello.
Hello.
Now you say it.
Hello.
Listener, you say it too. Hello.
Hello.
Good. Another greeting is hi.
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 Hello and hi are very common.
Yes. Hello. Hi.
Now another greeting, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning means hello in the morning.
Morning is the early day.
Yes, morning is early. Repeat, good morning.
Good morning.
Listener, say it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Next is good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon is after lunch.
After lunch.
Yes, repeat. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good. Now the last one. Good evening.
Good evening.
Evening is later in the day.
When the sun goes down.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
Listener, repeat. Good evening.
Good evening.
Very good. Now let's ask a question. How are you?
How are you?
This means, are you good? Are you okay?
Yes.
I ask you. Leo, how are you?
I am good.
Very good. Another answer, I am fine.
I am fine.
Listener, repeat. I am fine.
I am fine.
You can also say, I am happy.
I am happy.
Or, I am tired.
I am tired.
Good job. Now let's learn numbers.
Numbers are important.
Yes, we use numbers every day. Let's start with 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Listener, repeat with us. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Good. Now more numbers. 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Let's say them again together. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Great job. Listener, can you say the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Numbers are fun.
Yes, numbers are easy when we practice. Now let's learn days of the week.
There are 7 days.
Yes, 7 days. Day 1, Monday.
Monday,
Monday is the first work day for many people.
Monday,
Next, Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Repeat, Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Next, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Good. Wednesday is a long word.
Yes. Wednesday.
Very good. Next, Thursday.
Thursday.
Repeat,
Thursday.
next, Friday.
Friday.
Many people like Friday.
Yes, Friday is fun.
Next, Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday is the weekend.
Weekend means rest.
Yes. Last day, Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday is also weekend.
I like Sunday.
Let's say all the days. Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
7 days.
Good work. Listener, repeat the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Great.
Now let's talk about objects.
Objects are things.
Yes, things we see and use. First object, book.
Book.
I have a book.
I have a book.
Good. Next object, pen.
Pen.
I write with a pen.
Write with a pen.
Next, phone.
Phone.
I use my phone every day.
Me too.
Next, table.
Table.
The book is on the table.
On the table.
Next, chair.
Chair.
I sit on a chair.
Sit on a chair.
Listener, repeat the objects. Book,
Book.
10,
Pen.
phone,
Phone.
table,
Table.
chair.
Chair.
Good. Now let's learn food and drinks.
I like food.
Me too. First food, bread.
Bread.
Bread is simple food.
Bread is good.
Next, rice.
Rice.
Many people eat rice.
I eat rice every day.
Next, apple.
Apple.
An apple is fruit.
Apples are sweet.
Next, water.
Water.
Water is very important.
Drink water every day.
Yes. Next drink, coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee gives energy.
I like coffee.
Listener, repeat. Bread,
Rice.
apple,
Water.
coffee.
Good food.
Yes. Now let's talk about daily activities.
Things we do every day.
Yes. First activity, wake up.
Wake up.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up at 7.
Good. Next, eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast in the morning.
I eat bread and coffee.
Good breakfast. Next, go to work.
Go to work.
Many people go to work.
Some people go to school.
Yes. Next, study.
Study.
We study English.
Yes, we study English.
Next, sleep.
Sleep.
We sleep at night.
Sleep is important.
Very important. Listener, repeat the activities. Wake up,
Eat breakfast.
go to work,
Study.
sleep. Good job. Now let's make small sentences. Leo, say, I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I study English.
I study English.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Very good. Listener, repeat the sentences. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I study English. I sleep.
Easy sentences.
Yes, simple English is good for beginners. Now let's do a quick review.
Review helps us remember.
Yes. Greetings. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine.
I am happy.
Great. Numbers. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Good numbers. Days of the week. Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
7 days.
Objects. Book,
Book,
pen,
pen,
phone,
phone,
table,
table,
chair.
chair,
Food and drinks. Bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
apple,
apple,
water,
water.
coffee.
I am hungry now.
Me too. Daily activities. Wake up,
Eat breakfast,
go to work,
study.
sleep. Excellent. We learned many words today.
Yes, great work.
Listener, thank you for learning English with us.
Practice every day.
Listen again. Repeat again.
English gets easier.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.